Yo my people, so today is currently day 2 and we are going to continue with the challenge. So how this is going to work is that I'm going to try to find different trade opportunities and I'm going to show these trades to you live. But whilst I'm doing that as well, of course, I'm going to send the trades to my mentorship group as well. If you do want to join, that link will be down in the description below. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it and let's see what this day will provide for us. So the time is currently 1:02, so we've been sitting for about an hour. Market is hella slow today. I'm not trying to have a repeat of the first episode where I was here for like 10,000 hours, but looking at this setup right now on NAS, I'm looking to take a buy from this zone right here. So it's not actually a 5-minute setup, it's a 15-minute setup that we can see. But not just that as well, this is actually a 1 hour demand zone that we've tapped into. So of course it's also going to be a 30-minute and it's going to be a 15, but we can't see a clean 5-minute one because there is no fair value gap right in front of it. So we're going to take as a 15-minute setup. My entry, I'm not too sure yet. I might enter on a 5. Hopefully I won't have to do any sort of re-entries, but I might enter on a 5. If it closes, once this gap here has been filled, then I'll probably enter on a 5. But if not, then I'm not entering before that. So we'll see if this does get into the zone. If it does, then I'm looking to take a buy. They have also grabbed liquidity from here, so we're good. So this is what I'm looking at pretty much. So I'm going to send this through to the mentorship group right now. So now it's just all about waiting, really. All right, so with this right now, we don't know if they're going to want to come down here, right? Because technically now they've tapped into the 1 hour zone, right? So the 1 hour zone would look like this. They've tapped into the 1 hour right now, so they could just tap in the 1 hour and carry on to the upside, and then they're going to leave without us, but hopefully not. So what I'm hoping is that after this candle, now that they fill the gap, this is going to drop. That's hopefully the case, but we don't know. Because today right now is looking hella dry, right? Super dry. There's no setups at all. So we're pretty much just waiting now. Sitting on our hands, really. So I'm not too sure about this play, but what I'm seeing right now is I haven't really taken these kind of setups that many times, but today just seems like I have to go into the higher time frame quite a bit now. But we do have this. It is therefore risky, but we've got to push to the upside here, and we're sort of getting a small break of structures right now. So this is on the 15-minute, but if we go down to the 5 now, we can sort of reduce this a bit more. It's about here, right? So we'll see this huge rejection from the 15. So I guess if they do come back up to tap into the 5, then yeah, I'll be willing to take this. But this rejection was crazy though. Boom. So NAS has tapped into the zone now, taps into the 15 minutes. And now the question of the day is my entry. I'm not sure I'm going to enter yet. Probably on a 5, but we need price to at least fill this gap first of all, before I even do anything else. I'm going to open MT5. Right, let's just get this ready. I'm going to put my stop loss just below here. Okay, so I'm in this trade now. Oof. I'm in this trade now. Hopefully we can keep up the momentum though. So where I'm leaving, a bit tricky, right? Let me look at the 15-minute right now. Good rejection on the 15. The 15-minute will close in 4 minutes. So I'll have a look at what I'm doing once that happens. But 1 to 5 is crazy. That's not going to happen. NAS is still playing around. All right, so I think this trade's about to lose for sure. That's tough though. But I think this was a fake out. I could leave now just to keep my losses small. But I'm not closing though because I've seen this happen before. It could still somehow reject this. Yeah, so we took our first loss on that. We'll see if there's a chance for re-entry. It's currently 2 p.m. so NAS about to go crazy at 2:30 anyway when NAS opens. Quite interesting. This is a 1 hour zone, right? So it's a bit wild that this didn't really hold, but it does happen. I'm not sure if I should re-enter this trade now though, if we do get some kind of re-entry. I don't know if it's worth it, because just like that we could lose 2% literally just from one setup. But you can see how NAS is rejecting nicely now. All right, I think I'll enter if we get a 15-minute break of candle. So I'm looking to leave at this high. There's news in 9 minutes. Hopefully that doesn't affect this trade at all. Generally don't like re-entries. I really don't. But the volume looks good. Because the worst case scenario for entry is that you just lose the first time and you lose again, and you just lost twice on the same setup, right? So once this candle closes, we're gonna have GBP news kick in. So this is the moment to have your cheeks clenched, honestly. We just need to at least be in profit before that happens. But this trade shouldn't be moving like this, because right now, like, this is a 1 hour zone. Like, I shouldn't be playing around this much. Okay, so we're finally in profit now. If we're looking at the higher time frame now. So I should have, yeah, so I pretty much entered where I said I would. I was waiting for the 15-minute break of candles, so that's precisely where I entered, right? So in this case, I'm just looking for the, I might readjust my TP, but I'll check in a second. It's currently 14:14, so we have news in precisely 23 seconds. Okay, I think we're good. Don't think it affected it too much. So we're good. Yeah, we're good. Okay, beautiful stuff. All right, that's good then. If we're going to take a look at the actual GBP pair, so I had a setup here that I was looking at. So this news was extremely weak. It didn't do absolutely anything at all. Like, Euro GBP looks like it didn't even budge. Right, yeah, GJ, nothing. So yeah, the news didn't do much. Probably looking to take this up here. If not here, here's also a good shout, because we do have, like, the reason why I feel like holding this longer is because this is a 1 hour zone. So realistically, I'm quite confident that they could push all the way up here, but I'm not gonna hold all the way up there, just because I don't know. I don't really know how often that might happen, right? So if I'm trying to secure as much bag as possible whilst being smart right now, first of all, there is a 1 hour supply, as you can see, so we're not going to push for more than here right now. If we drop to the 15-minute, then yeah, this is looking like the biggest shot. And it's NAS, so I kind of have faith that NAS can go this much. Not sure how long this is going to take to get there though, so it might be one of those where it's like, get popcorn and just, I don't know, whatever people do when they're chilling these days. I personally don't know if I'm going to be baking off and just watching this the whole time. Right, so I just realized whilst I was on my little vacation, NAS opening is literally in 3 minutes, bro. Oh, now this is now making this a very, very risky setup. And I don't know. I could either close now and make like my 1-to-1 back, right? Or hope for the best on this. This is very risky, right? Because I don't know how this is going to play. NAS always goes up and down as well. It's just about which one it does first. I'm going to remove my TPs in case. Therefore keeping my stop loss though. But remove my TP just in case it decides to shoot up and, you know, go to the moon, right? So my only bet now is that this zone is going to hold. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully. 52 seconds left. Hopefully it holds. If it doesn't hold, then we're just going to take the L, right? I'm just going to firm it. I'm going to at least have my TP for one of these. Okay, NAS opening. We're shooting up. That's good. It went in our favor. Honestly, that's a good start to it. But obviously this can shoot downwards. So literally, I'm not even confident yet. Okay, so we hit TP on trading view. We've hit TP on trading view. We've hit our 1 to 2 on trading view. But not on here. Okay, we're pushing. We're still pushing. Nearly. Almost. We're going to get taken out of one at least. That rejection is not good. Ooh. Give my money. There we go. Oh, it was so close. I think we're at least going to get to the supply zone. Once this candle closes though, I have a feeling this is just going to drop back down to fill gaps. So I'm not trying to be in this trade in the next 3 minutes. We're so close to TP. Come on. There we go. I'm out of one. And second one, I'm out. Now that is how you make your money back. Let's go. So literally just tap to that zone now. I'm not messing with this. I'm okay with my money. I'm not going to be greedy at all. Here's what we're seeing. So literally perfect. If Naz just acted right the first time, bro, we would have been laughing, but she didn't. You can see that as kind of rejection after 15 minutes now. I wonder if this is gonna break though. This is still a 1 hour zone, so honestly this could be pumping up like crazy, right? Could be shooting up like crazy. But the setup is pretty much basic supply and demand, really. Just 15-minute entered and waited for the break of candle. Should have waited for the break of candle on the 15th, then I wouldn't have lost money on this trade at all. If you do want to trade like I do, then be sure to join the mentorship group down below. But if you do want to join the free Discord as well, then the link will be down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.